guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, what I have for you today is a Dollar Tree Christmas haul. Dollar Tree is still killing it as far as I'm concerned. So let me show you what I found at my Dollar Tree this week, okay? First of all, I saw these really cute little pot holders, and they have candy canes on them, and they have this tree that looks like it's got icing dripping down. And then they have this cup of like hot cocoa with the Cool Whip or whatever. And another cup of like cocoa or coffee with a candy cane in it. And then this looks like one of those chocolate covered pretzels. So let me hold it up real close. I think this is so adorable, and you get two, okay? So not only did they have that one, but they had this pot holder to go with it, and the back side is red. I love it, and this matches it exactly. Isn't that adorable? Okay, it's so bright and cheery. All right, then I saw this. Now I don't think I've seen this one before. This Let It Snow, the snowman here with his really pretty scarf and his little carrot, and he's smiling, so pretty. And it just says Let It Snow on his hat, and this part is glitter, the white part. And then this red right here is glitter right in here. This isn't, or maybe it has been, but it came off, and he's got a little bit of glitter on his nose. So I'll try to scoot that up really close and let it focus. Is that not adorable? Okay, and they didn't leave Santa Claus out either. Here, look at Santa. I think his face is so adorable. And all that white is glittered. He is just precious. And then it just says ho, 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 and that's all glittered. And then he has a little ball right up there. That is beyond cute. That just looks like Santa should be happy, okay? And look how big this is. Both of those were really pretty tall. Okay, then I picked up some of these. I've seen these in there before, but these little pine cones with snow and berries. I just think they're so pretty. Now this one's a little bit different. It looks like this. But these are just like this. I think they're gorgeous, okay? So I picked up 4 bunches of those, all right? And then I found a new mug. They had tons of Christmas mugs, but this is the one that I really liked, and it has a little ding in it, but it'll be all right. Okay, don't get your tinsel in a tangle. I think that is hilarious, okay? And it says it on both sides of the mug. I just think that's adorable. I love it because it's white, and then that red lettering really stands out. And this side is all messed up too. I guess I should have been more careful, but I was so excited, but I don't care. I love it anyway, all right? Then I found, let me go ahead and show you this. This really isn't Christmassy, but I've been looking for these peel and stick little tiles, and I haven't been able to find them. Well, I found them, okay? These were on the one on 9th Avenue and Creighton. That's where I found these at the back. But I love this. It looks like a wood grain. It is so pretty, okay? And then I actually got 2 of the wood grain type. And I wanted the white subway tile type, but I didn't see that. But they have this one. And it's just like that brownish with just a slight bit of red in it. But I think that's really pretty. So that was a new find for me. I'd been looking for that, okay? Then I saw this little tin, and I loved it. It says North Pole Tree Farm. They have it in different sizes. And then the side just looks like this. It has the little car with the tree on it, and then the truck with the tree in the back, and it just keeps repeating. I think that's so cute. And then here is the front. So adorable. And then the inside is just like that. You could put anything in that. That'd be wonderful. And look at this. Sweet Christmas wishes. Oh my gosh. Candy cane. I love it. Okay, gingerbread. I love it. And then look at the side. Is that not pretty with all the different drinks? With the candy canes and then the sweet treats and then the gingerbread. I think that is adorable. And like I said, they all had different sizes. And I like this because this little green lip around it I think is perfect, okay? All right, and then I found some new houses, okay? This is a new church that I haven't seen before. I'll bring it in right there. I think that is just precious. I love all that detail. It's so pretty. Even has a little door right here on the back. And all the stained glass and the little bell up to the top. I love that. Then this one was really pretty. It looks like an old Victorian house. Look how charming that is. And I love all the little Victorian detailing that it has. And the snow on the top, I just think it's really pretty. And then they had another one, an antique shop. Can you believe this? Look at that. Is that not precious? I hope it's focusing. I think it is. But look how cute that is. So pretty. And I love how it looks like it's got stained glass in the front. And it's got that snow on the top. It's just so, it really is cute, okay? Then I found some of these Cobblestone Corners winter village trees. Look at that. Is that not beautiful? Oh, that's gorgeous. So I picked up 2 packages of these because I love them so much. You could do DIYs with them. You could put them in your decor. And then I saw these little Cobblestone Corners people for your village. And these are the little guys throwing snowballs. I just thought they were precious with their scarves. And then this one is like a park bench with 2 lights with some wreaths on the lights. I just thought they were precious. And then you have to have carolers. So I picked this up. 2 carolers, a man and a woman, and then a wishing well. I think that is really cute. All right. And then I found these Christmas cards. Now, I'm not going to use them as Christmas cards. I'm thinking about doing something else with them, but look at this. That is just so pretty. It says Merry Christmas, and look at that little town. Is that not somewhere quaint you just love to be? Oh, I love it. With all those people and they're doing the sleigh rides and things. That is my kind of place, okay? And then I picked this one up because I loved it too. I love sharing Christmas with you. It has a really nice saying, but I got it for the picture. Like I said, I'm thinking about doing something. We'll see how it turns out. Then look at this. Look at this. Is this not gorgeous? It says Noel. This is in the checker. And then this has glitter here, and then it has all that luscious glitter on through here. And he's holding, the little snowman's holding a wreath. And look at those trees, so glittery and wonderful. That just looks so dimensional and so high end. I love that. That really doesn't need anything done to it, okay? So I picked that up. And then wait till you see this. Is this not a vintage Santa, if you ever did see one? I love his face. I love just the right amount of glitter on here. This looks like something you would see, very vintage, like I said. I love that. So pretty, and it says joy, and the other one said Noel, okay? So then I was in there, and for our Christmas taste test, I thought I might get these little antlers to wear. I think they're so cute. I love all this plaid detail. They're so fun. And then you know I love Dollar Tree socks, okay? And I found these elf socks, and they're so cute. I think I may have bought a pair last year. I'm not sure. I didn't want to take a chance, but I love those polka dots and I love the little elf, so I have that. And then this is the stripes with the snowman. I think they are precious. But that's everything that I found at the Dollar Tree this week. They are just constantly bringing in new items, I tell you. And I haven't been able to go as often as I was going, and I need to start going because I feel like I'm missing some things, and it drives me crazy because I'm like, what am I missing? I think I need an intervention. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out on YouTube. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and become a member of our family. And if you subscribe, hit that notification bell and set it to all so you won't miss an upload. So I will see you Friday for, hopefully, weather permitting, and I'm filming this video early, so I don't know what the storm's going to do. I think we're going to be fine, though. Do the decorate with me for Christmas in my kitchen. I am so excited to get all my gingerbread items out. This is truly, I love this time of year. This and fall, it could stay, as far as I'm concerned, forever. Okay, so let me go get Maggie and let you say hi to her. I'll be right back. Well, as usual, Maggie was asleep and she was on her little house coat that she has now taken from me. She loves to just lay in there and snooze. That's her favorite thing in life, is for us to be on the couch, her be down under her blanket in between us, and her to be out like a light. But say that can't happen all the time, can it, baby? Say hi, Maggie. Say hi. Say hello. Say hello. Maggie, do you want a treat? Do you want a treat? Oh, do you think Mama should give you a treat? Oh, she perked up. I'm going to give her a treat. So until next time, bye guys.